Hello everybody, this is Joseph on GQS, and today we are going to be doing the final part to How Fast Can I Beat It, the final score. And also sorry I didn't upload this weekend or on Sunday, but I will still upload tomorrow. Okay, so one thing is certain, I have to tell you how I'm going to be doing this. So I'm going to be basing the time off of the world record at that time. So for example, this 311.58, the world record at the time was a 314.96. So this is going to be the world record I'm going to be basing this off of. And also, for the marathons, I'm going to be doing it differently, where I'm going to be dividing it up by how much levels there is. That's fair, and so that I don't just end up getting like a -10 just because of the marathons. Okay, so let's get on to the actual tallyings. Okay, so the first one we got here is technically part 2 is my 250.06. The world record at the time was a 254.07. So I'm on the wrong layer. Hold on. So we subtract 254.07 minus 250.06. We end up getting -4.01. Divide this by 4 and you get -1. -1 second is what we have for the snow marathon. How fast can I beat it? Next up is desert marathon, like I used in the example. Okay, next up is my desert marathon. How fast can I beat it? So my PB in this case, well, my world record in this case was a 311.58. The record at the time was a 314.96. So I ended up deleting the recording I got of it, which was the original version of this, I think. Okay, minus 311.5. What am I doing? 5.6, right? Is that right? Oh, 5.8. Okay. I always end up getting the little details confused. Okay. So it's gonna be -3. Okay, so point. Okay, that is way lower. That is way too big. Oh, it's raining. It's raining hard. Wow, it's thundering. Okay, so that would be a 4, but that's too much. So it's a 3, 8. Then we divide this by 4, and we end up getting Okay, so this, I don't care. If you divide it by 4, you end up getting a time of -0.85. Okay, not bad for a desert marathon. Next up is Snow 1. Okay, so my PB for How Fast I Can Beat It Part 4 was a 32.56. The world record at the time, and still, as much as I want to beat it, is a 31.86. So, okay, yeah. So it'd have to be a 32.58. We're gonna have to do it the other way around, otherwise I'd end up getting a negative, which wouldn't be good. Minus the world record, because that was slower. 31.86. It is thundering so hard out. Okay, so it's gonna be less than 0.1. Well, less than 1 second. Okay. 1. Okay. 7. Okay, so it's going to be positive 7.2. Okay, and because there's no level to divide it by, we don't divide it. So we add that on top of those when we get down here to the bottom. Okay, the next one is Desert 3. So my PB after 15 minutes for how fast can it be to part 5 was a 38.34. The record at the time was a 37.89. So again, we do the 38.34. Then we subtract the world record at the time, since I ended up smashing it at like 1 a.m. last night. What am I? Oh yeah, 37.89 if I'm correct. Yep. Okay. So this. Okay. So that would be plus 0. Okay, so 1. Okay, so plus 0.45. Okay, on to the next one, which is City Marathon. So my PB, or I guess world record, for how fast can be to part 6, and technically part 1, which is what this is from, was 20.87, or 220.87. This was 226.85. This is going to be very easy and simplistic. What am I doing? Oh, that's right. So it's 226.85 minus 220.87. Yeah. Now we do the math, and we get minus, for the first time in a while. Okay, so that would be negative 4.98. Now we divide that by 3. I'll be back in a minute after it up, and this divided by 3 equals 1.25. Negative. Okay. Next up, and finally, for the finale, City 2. Then we get to add up all of these and see what the score is. Okay, so my PB for half is going to be part finale. It was a 40.81. The world record at the time was a 40.47. So 40.81 minus 40.47. Boom. Nice, simple, easy. Okay, so that would be what? So that's a difference of 4. Okay, so positive 0.36. Okay. Now, let's add them all up. Okay, so the first two are going to be easy. So, negative 1 plus negative 0.85 equals negative 1.85. Wait a second, now we gotta subtract 0.72. So minus 0.72 equals, okay, equals negative 1.13. Then from that we subtract 0.45. So minus plus 0.45. Okay, so that would be, okay, subtract 7, okay, equals negative 0.68. Okay, now from negative 0.68 we add, so negative 0.68, we add negative 1.25 minus, well, I guess I could just do that, plus negative 1.25. So that would be, what would that be? So that would be an 8 plus that would be a 9. Okay, so that would be 1.8 93 equals negative 1.93. And then plus 0.36. We end up getting plus 0.36. Okay, so, I guess that would be 665 equals negative 1.57. So in total, my score is negative 1.57. That is good. Like golf, you want to get in the negatives. So in total, I am better at beating the current world records in 15 minutes than I'm not. Good to know. And I will see you. This is Joseph on GQS out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow on Tuesday.